I'm Rich Tanis.
And I'm Rod Tanis.
We're the Rctwins.
Yes, we are.
If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment. It really helps us a lot. Today, we're working on a Phoenix Models A26 Invader. And right now I'm just making some modifications inside the cabin area so I can put the batteries back a little farther. Went with a little bigger motor, designed for 32s. I'm putting 52s on it. Well, you know, just because we're the Rctwins, and that's just what we have to do. So a little bigger battery, 6 cells. And so because of CG, I want to shift those batteries back, and that's the key. Don't add weight if you don't have to. I'm already adding some weight with batteries, but you don't want to put a bunch of lead in it and add weight for nothing. Get power out of that weight. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And right now, that's what those batteries want to sit. That's kind of a battery bay, if you will. And you can see a crossbar going across right behind those batteries. We're going to need to remove that because right now our CG is a bit forward. We don't want to add weight in the tail, but we've hollowed that area out. And we'll have to put some structure back in there later to cross-tie the fuselage. We've gone to this Velcro industrial, and I defy you to get a battery off of that in flight. So I made a new battery plate in the back there out of 1/8" ply, wrapped it around that servo, moved it to the rear bulkhead as you can see, and we'll get some batteries in it and test the CG. This should get me there. Alright, so here's the original motor mount right here. It bolts right on in place here. But you can see, you know, there's this wall right here, and there's a lip right on the bottom here. We're going to remove that right up to this edge right here and right over there, and we just made a new piece that fits right in nice and tight. Did the math so the motor will come out in the same place. And so then we'll have a great big wide opening. So here's the new motor mount right here, and that will just fit right in. Once that area is hollowed out behind there, it'll fit right in like that. And then of course we'll do some gusseting and some 45s in the corners and so on, and that should fit right up and be done. More room, run the batteries farther forward, better CG. And it'll look like this when it gets on there. Nice big piece like that. Whole open bottom in there for airflow, and you can see how wide that is all the way on in. So you can run the biggest battery you can find in there, big 6S 5000s or whatever you want, and they'll fit in there. We supersized the original firewall assembly to house these 6 6-cell batteries and remounted the 100cc motor on the front. We only needed to add 1 more pound of lead after adding all 6 batteries up front to make the CG exactly where we wanted it.